Good morning, guys. So I'm going to take you through a quick little my speedy breakfast in the morning. Between bulletproof coffee, there's those days that you want something to eat instead of just drink. So what I do is, and I'm just using this as reference, I take one sausage. This one is a locally cured sausage. I dice it up into these little chunks. I already have my jalapenos from the other night. We have some salsa. Instead of chopping up onions, tomatoes, I buy this. And I'll throw in, I'll show you how I do that in a minute. We're going to 2 cage-free, no hormone eggs and some cilantro. See you in a minute. All right, so we have our little skillet. We're going to throw in 2 tablespoons of butter. Let that get rocking and rolling. And we're going to add in just a pinch black pepper. And a pinch of sea salt. We're going to get this good and hot. Now, the sausage is already cooked. I am just doing this to get it up to heat with the eggs before I don't want to overcook my eggs, trying to get the sausage warm. All right, so now what I'm going to do, this is a local brand here in Texas. I am going to add in two teaspoons of the salsa, as well as little bits of jalapeno I had from the recipe the other night. Now the reason I'm doing this is I'm making like a ranchero style scrambled eggs. Alright, so now what I really like doing, which is going to blow everybody's mind, is I get guacamole. You wouldn't think it, but I'm telling you, it is amazing on Mexican style eggs. Cilantro. There's that. Zaz. This is a local brand here in Austin, Texas. It's Yellowbird. The sauce is amazing. All right, so there we go. I have my sour cream, my guacamole, my eggs, my sausage, jalapeno, cilantro. It tastes amazing. All right, guys, love you.